Ethereum against US dollar is still in the bullish mode. We can see what has happened in this week, where the price has dropped down and then continued to move up to the higher price level. We can see that this week could not make a breakout to the upside above this area, above these candles that the price has reached several weeks ago. And we can see the price is trying to make that attempt with this bullish candle from the yesterday, where the price has reached this 2127 resistance level, and currently it is at the start of this supply zone. It's very important and very critical level for the bulls, but as it looks right now, there are no sellers here with enough strength to push the price even more down as it looks right now. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that this week is also a bullish one, but we can see that the price the previous week has confirmed this bullish breakout as a valid one with the second candle on the weekly time frame, and it's now pushing higher. So currently what I'm expecting on the weekly time frame to move to the higher price levels. On the monthly time frame, we can see that the price is forming this bullish breakout, which is a great signal for the bulls, where the next level where the price could reach is 2231 price level. If the price stays above this price level, which is 1945, very critical level for the bulls, as it looks right now, it will stay for the next week until this month ends. This will be a bullish breakout. After that, I am expecting that the price will retrace back down, confirming this bullish breakout, a valid one on the monthly time frame, and then continue to move up. But before that happens, we can see this month is bullish one. We need to see on the weekly time frame how this looks. So if the price stays above and we have confirmed bullish breakout as a valid one, I am expecting that the price will continue to move up. The next one where the price needs to break is 2127, which I am expecting that the price will make. But before that happens, I need to see how it happens on the daily time frame. So the next one, what I'm expecting is a bullish breakout on the weekly time frame above 2127. If that happens, the next level where the price will stop is 2402 price level. We can see it here as the next resistance level, and it will be a confluence of resistance. If the bears have enough strength, which is less likely, they need to return the price back down below 2054, which is visible here at this as very critical level on the weekly time frame. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see a very important level is 2044 price level. We can see it here, and if the bears returns the candle below that, this will mean that the price will continue to fall down and reaching around 1984 price level. But for now, the bulls are much stronger as it looks right now on the market, and we need to see the price making a breakout above, which is currently where the price is. If the price makes a breakout with a bullish candle above here, above this one, which is 2095, I need to see the price returning back down, touching the previous resistance, which is here, now then acting as a resistance, which will suggest that the price will continue to move to the higher price levels. Now we can see, just a minute, here it is. We can see what happens when the price makes a breakout above 2127 price level. This is very important. After the price makes a breakout, the next level where the price could stop is 2290, and the maximum what the price could reach is this one here, the start of 2400 price level. So this is the next attempt and also the next level where the price will try to reach. But for now, very important level that the price needs to break above on the daily time frame to continue to move up is 2127, which will be probably reached next week. If that happens, the next one I have mentioned, the price will reach and it will head around 2400. If the price reverses back down, we can see that the next support level and also demand zone is around 1984 price level. If you would like also to check what is the entry, stop loss and take profit ideas, I'm sharing that inside the trading community. And if you would like to get a free PDF with steps how to make the analysis, the one I currently making with the supply demand zones, you can check also the link below this video in the site description and also inside the comment section, where I'm sharing a link where you can get that free PDF to your email. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!